Islamic Elementary School. Now I want to tell you about the story Tortoise and the Hare. Are you ready to listen my story? What? I can hear you. Okay, let me begin. Once in the forest, there was a fast and nimble hare. One day, the hare met the tortoise in the forest. You are very slow, mocked the hare. The tortoise disliked what the hare said, so he replied, "How arrogant you are! I'm as slow as you think," said the tortoise. "Really?" answered the hare with his mocking tone. "Sure, how will we have race?" challenged the tortoise. Are you kidding me? The hare laughed loudly after hearing the challenge from the tortoise. The tortoise, more and more fell upset. "Hey, if I win the race, you must stop mocking me," said the tortoise seriously. It made the hare stop laughing. Okay, let's see tomorrow," said the hare before he left the tortoise. The next morning, many animals gathered in a forest. They gave a support to the tortoise because he had the arrogant hare. They became the judges. "Well, contestants, get ready. Race from here to the hill." The tortoise and the hare took the start. 1, 2, 3, go! The two contestants left a starting line. The hare ran quickly, but the tortoise walked slowly. The tortoise is left behind, so the hare decided to test us. "It's time for short nap," said the hare. When the hare was sleeping, the tortoise passed him slowly and quietly. After some hours, the hare woke up. What? Oh no! He ran quickly to the hill. He got surprised. The tortoise was already there. All other animals were happy because the tortoise won the race. The hare felt shy. He apologized to the tortoise. Ladies and gentlemen, from this story we can learn, don't be arrogant and underestimate others. The danger is, and my beloved friends, is all about my story. Thanks for your attention and good morning.